Hi everyone, it's Hope from Sundance Mazda. Today I'm going to be doing a little short video for you just on how to stop your power exterior mirrors from folding in. Now this is an option on CX-5 and CX-9 models on the GT trims and higher, and also now on our CX-50 models. So let's get into it. So here we are sitting inside of our CX-5. So to start this process, all you're going to do is you're going to start by hitting the start button twice. And then you're going to make sure that your park brake is on. I have mine already turned on. And then you're going to see that your mirrors are already, of course, out because the doors have been unlocked to get in. And you're going to go over to your window lock button over here. So you're going to make sure that your window lock button is locked, so down, so it's up. And then you can see now that I have it down. And you're going to take your passenger, all your passenger windows actually, and you're going to press down all at the same time. If I can get this going. And hold down for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I just hold it for a couple more, just for good measure. I'm going to turn this off and go outside. And then just lock your doors. 1, 2. And you can see that the mirrors no longer fold in. Again, this was Hope from Sundance Mazda. Thank you so much for watching this video regarding our power folding mirrors. If you want the mirrors to go again back to manufacturer's default, you just do the exact same process and it'll go back to the same as it was when you first got the vehicle. Again, have a great day and stop by Sundance Mazda if you have any questions. Any of our staff are happy to help.